Hello people. So right now it is close to 10:30 in the night while I'm recording this, and in the 3 years since I've been on this Instagram not YouTube journey, I've never recorded so late at like 10:30 in the night. But the more I see of life, the more I realize that no matter what, you should just do that task for the day. It may not be the most brilliant thing that you're doing, but just the effort that you put in. Life is very cumulative. Like, after a point, everything will add up, and then you will suddenly realize that you've come a long distance. So so that's what. Now I have more than 2000 videos on YouTube, and of course not all of them are like spectacular, but it's okay. It's a start, it's a beginning, it's something is always better than nothing. And I realized that I'm not so much of a drone sort of person. Not that I need a drone for my type of videos, but yeah, see, I don't need them also. But book reviews, yeah. And book reviews, anything is from the heart, and in the end that's what counts, that it should be from the heart. And now I have to go and improve my color and complexion and all of that. But yeah, it's 10:30 in the night, so I don't know what I'm jabbering away, but I need to upload this in the morning. We'll do that. And I had to review some Japanese shows. I'll do it soon. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.